Saga. Didn't.
It's all right.
Saga. I got a sword.
Try one more.
Saga. Tape.
Good. Now let's try maybe the cone.
Saga.
We're going to try another behavior. We're going to see if we can get her to go around the cone and then go to the machine. And we can help by food luring or taking the puppy by the collar and leading them where we want them to go.
Good.
And if you just kind of walk near the cone, oh, choking.
Oh, it's okay. Right there. I need to chew, buddy. Yes.
If you just take the puppy by the collar and you kind of lead them near the cone, they're going to naturally just kind of go around it. And then buzz the machine. So one of the reasons why we teach puppies to go around something and then come back for a reward is you're just starting to teach the dog a little bit of independence and that they can go away and do something and then come back and get a reward. We use this for agility, obedience, lots of different things, even just pet manners of a dog learning to go away and come back. So that's super fun. We'll try one more. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll probably stop there. The puppy's getting a little tired. So that was super fun.
Okay.
Good job.